Just wanted to give a quick look at what has been happening with the garden. We have our bananas and our plantains are looking great. Somebody came this week and did some weeding. Thought I'd give a little walkthrough so that you can see how it has progressed. We have a couple of coconut trees, a couple of dasheen, some fruit trees, some sugar cane, and I'm just gonna go walk through so you can see for yourself. It's starting to look like it could rain, so let's make this quick. Here's a little mango tree. It might be a Julie. Over here we got bananas and plantains, pineapple, another mango tree, some cabbage, avocado tree, more sugar cane. We have French thyme over here. A nice big bundle of French thyme grows right here. And sweet potato here on the ground. And I think there's remnants of some pumpkin from the last crop, as well as some okra that's now out of season, so we're gonna have to clean those up. And we have a banana over here that's starting to get ready. We got some aloe vera over here, and we got a lot of stuff to clean up off the ground, so could look a little bit more tidy. So there you have it. This is how things have been looking, and we got some work to do. And I'm going to get out of here. It looks like it could rain anytime now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.